Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download and install Git in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So firstly, we need to check if the Git is already installed here in our Windows 11 PC or laptop. So type for cmd, and once a best match would appear, go with the command prompt and click on Run as Administrator. If your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you would be able to bring up this command prompt. From here, please type for git or git, click on enter, and it will states here git is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch files. So meaning we haven't installed it yet here in our Windows. So by that, you need to proceed with the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear and click on Open to continue. Here at the Google Chrome browser, you need to proceed at the center search bar and type for Git. Once you've typed that, click on Enter and wait until you are being redirected to the result. So from the list of results, please proceed with the very first or the top result, which is this. Click this link to proceed. Okay. And by that, you would be able to see this monitor icon or picture where you can see the latest source release. So the latest one is 2.49.0. So we need to go with the latest version. So click on this download for Windows. And the moment you do that, you would be able to see this where here you need to proceed with standalone installer where it has two options where you can install 32-bit Git for Windows setup and 64-bit Git for Windows setup. So if you have a 32-bit computer, proceed with the first, and if you have 64-bit computer, first proceed with the second. So how you can check if you have 32-bit or 64-bit? So simply proceed at the button search bar and type for info, and the moment you've typed it, wait until the system information under the best match would appear and click on open to continue. So from here, you would be able to see the system type of what Windows do you have, either 32 or 64. So under the system type, there you can see either you have an x64 based PC like mine or an x32 based PC. So since we have an x64 based PC, so let me just proceed with the 64-bit. So click on it, and the moment you do that, you just have to wait until the downloading of the 64-bit would be finished. Okay, so we just have to wait until this would be done. Okay. Once it is being downloaded, let's proceed on the installation of this Git application. So by that, click on this folder icon to show it in folder. And the moment you do that, you will be redirected to the folder where it is being placed to. Please do a right click and click on this open. So we just have to wait until a new window would appear here in our screen so that we can proceed on the installation of this particular application. So if your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes. And from here, we have now the setup of the installation. Click on next. Okay, click on next and click on next. Click on next once again. Click on next. Next. Okay, just leave it there. Click on next. Okay, click on next. Okay, next, next. Okay, let's just have to proceed on clicking on next and go with install. So this installation may take some time, but you just have to be patient. Just have to wait until the installation of this Get would be finished. Okay, you can now close this window as well as the Google Chrome browser so that you can focus in this one and wait until the installation of this application would be finished. Okay. So in that way, we have just successfully or completed the installation of this kit in our PC or laptop. So click and finish and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.